Good afternoon, my name is Stefan Kaut. I'm the executive chef of Mandarin Oriental, Washington DC. Those are my helpers. So today we're going to do Brussels sprouts with bacon. What we're going to do, we have our nice Brussels sprouts and we're going to clean them. We cut off the back and cut them in half. Just clean off the leaves, a little bit brown. And then when they're smaller, just leave them whole. Just like this. I already cleaned some at the beginning, and so we're ready to go. Beautiful. And then what I would recommend is when we do the Brussels sprouts and bacon, of course for vegetarians or vegan, we just leave the bacon away. I put the bacon a little bit in the freezer, and I like to use the thick cut. And we just, let me move this over, cut them in half. And then cut nicely down. So, and then when we move over to the oven, I already have a roasting pan ready. I'm going to put one more up on exhaust hood. Do some olive oil. Beautiful. When the bacon starts cooking, we cut it in a little bit more. And of course the bacon is going to give up its own fat, which is going to give you flavor to the Brussels sprouts. What is absolutely delicious. Very good. And then you will see when it gets the heat, it's going to separate itself and will release those fats. What will be soaked into the Brussels sprouts beautifully. Place them. Around a minute or so, because you roast them together with the Brussels sprouts, so they're going to release all their fat and going to get nice and golden brown. You can nicely see how the green fat from the bacon, the lardon, releases its fat into the pan. Then we take the Brussels sprouts and just add them in too. Beautiful. Take some fresh cracked pepper. And I like to use sea salt. And we season pretty good because the Brussels sprout soaks it up. We mix it up. And then we have high heat right now to have the fat releasing of the bacon. And then we go into medium heat. And when we put the lid. So now we're going to check on our Brussels sprouts. Like you see, they're cooking nicely. And you're getting slowly some color. Beautiful. Bacon released all its fats, and they're going right into the Brussels sprouts. They can nicely brown. Beautiful. Need around another 10 minutes or so, and we're going to continue cooking those. Very nice. So we're coming back to our Brussels sprouts, and let's see. Let's get the steam away. Let's speed this up one more notch. Wow, look at that. Beautiful. We're adding a little bit more olive oil. And like I said earlier, just leave the bacon away and it's a great vegetarian or vegan dish. And that goes by itself. You can eat it with chicken or also with mashed potatoes, what we did in one of our other segments. So, look at this. Gorgeous. Just go over. Et voila. Enjoy. Have a great day.